Think about Jonah. God told him to go left. He did just the opposite. He went right. God didn't say, too bad, Jonah, I'm done with you. You had your chance. No, God never gives up on us. Jonah got in trouble. He was on the boat in a storm. They threw him overboard. It was his fault. He brought the trouble on himself. Surely God would say, see, Jonah, you should have listened to me. I told you, now look at you. You're done. You're finished. No, God knew the promise was still in him. God had that big fish to swallow him up, spit him out on dry ground 3 days later. God said, come on, Jonah, let's get busy. I've still got something great for you to do. And some of you have made mistakes. You feel washed up, like you're supposed to be on the sidelines of life. But God is saying the promise is still in you. If you'll shake off the guilt, shake off the condemnation, God will still get you to where He wants you to be. He'll bring another opportunity across your path. You can still become all God's created you to be. My brother Paul recently returned from doing medical missions in Africa. One of the safari guides that we know, a man named Henry, told how when a gazelle or a wildebeest is pregnant and about to give birth, a lion will closely stalk that animal. Day after day, the lion will follow the pregnant mother, waiting for her to go into labor. The lion knows when she goes into labor, she's an easy target. She can't defend herself. So the lion will actually wait for the mother to go into labor and then not only attack and kill her, but the baby as well. It's the same principle in life. You will face your greatest attacks when you're about to give birth to the dreams God places in your heart. The enemy waits till you're close to the promotion, till you're close to the breakthrough. Just when you're about to step into a new level, don't be surprised if you face opposition. You go through a disappointment. A friend you were counting on is not there. It's taken longer than you thought. That simply means you're about to give birth to what God has placed in your heart. The good news is the forces that are for you are greater than the forces that are against you. Your destiny cannot be stopped by a bad break, by disappointments, by opposition, by people. No, God has the final say. When you're in agreement with God, He says, no weapon formed against you will ever prosper.